Good morning and Jai Hind students. I am Nutan Gupta sending the third part of this chapter, The Rat's Feast from NBCB. Now we are discuss about scene 3. We have discussed in last two videos scene 1 and scene 2. Now we will discuss scene 3. Another coach boy seated in the compartment as before. The train starts to move. The old man comes in, his arm laden with the package of the various sizes. अब ये तीसरे कोच में तीसरी सीन में पहुंच चुके हैं जिसमें अनादर कोच में ये लोग बैठे हुए हैं, दूसरे कोच में बैठे हुए हैं जिसमें लड़के कंपार्टमेंट पहले से बैठे हुए हैं। उसके बाद ट्रेन चलने लगती है, ओल्ड मैन अंदर आता है और क्या नाम है, ढेर सारे पैकेजेस के साथ में वो अंदर आता है। ओल्ड मैन handling a small paper bag of the sweet of each boy. This time I am prepared. You can be sure that rats won't be hungry. Now old man said, now I am very I am coming from my all preparation. Now your rats won't go to hungry. Boys, thank you, sir. Old man, and when you have finished with this, help yourselves to the mangoes in this basket. He said, then when all of you finish this items, then you can eat the some mangoes also. Then boy two, excuse me, sir, where are you going? Then boy two asked to old man, where are you going? Old man giving the answer, I am looking for a job. I will go for wherever I can find the job. He doesn't give the answer properly. Only he give the answer in twist that I am going to for a job. Boy one, what kind of the job work for do you do? Old man giving the answer, I am a school teacher. Boys boys are very happy to hear this because he wants also a Sanskrit teacher. So they are very happy. The boys all are saying together, teacher, old man, I teach Sanskrit. Boys, that's wonderful. Why don't you come into our school? Then all of the boys said that why don't you come join our school? Boy 6, then we don't have an old Kali Kumro Tatka Lanka. Then they realize that if you are coming to teach us, then we are not we will have not to teach teaches by the Kalo Kumro Tatka Lanka. Old man, but what makes you think they will take me? Now old man said to them that uh, how are you sure that your school management accept me? Boys, oh, we will make them. We shan't let Kalo Kumro Tatkalanka set food in the neighborhood. Old man, and how will you do that? Boy 6, you will see. We have our method. Old man, you are making things very difficult for me. Suppose the school secretary doesn't like me. Then old man said, you are making the things very difficult for me. If I get the job in your school, then how can I manage the job? Your school when your school teacher and the secretary doesn't like me. Boys, he had better. Old man, why? What will you do? Now old men want to know that what they are going to do for accept me as a Sanskrit teacher in their school. Boys, we will all quit the school together. Now the boys warn him, warn the old man that if the school secretary and other teachers doesn't like him, then they will quit the school. Old man, very well, boys. When we get there, take me to your school. Boy 2, hey guys, we are almost there. Now boy 4, hey, what's the crowd on the platform? Isn't that the school secretary? Now boy 4 looking out the window and saying, there are some pupils are together here and making the crowd on the platform. I think this is the school secretary. Boy 2, yes, it is. Wonder what he is doing there. Boy 6, he must have come to meet us and take us back to school. Now train comes to halt. The boys busy themselves getting their luggage out from the under the seat. Now train is going to halt, and so all the boys are busy to getting their luggage out from the under the seat and manage their luggage. The man comes into the compartment. It is the school secretary. One strange man come into the compartment. Now it is not, he is not unknown for them. It is the school secretary. Good morning, sir. Secretary, good morning and welcome. Mr. Tarkalenko, we are so happy to have you here. Sir, come with me. I will take you off school. Your room is all ready for you. Now all the secretary said to Mr. Tarkalenkar that we are so happy to have you here, sir. Come with me. I will take you to the school. Now all the boys are feel very embarrassing and feel very sorry for doing whatever they have done with the old man. Now they were all in the shock and fear.